Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you through the process of turning off Gemini from Google Assistant on an iPhone. Start by unlocking your phone and opening the Google app. If the app is not already installed on your device, you can download it from the App Store. Once the app is open, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on your profile picture or the circular icon with your initial. This will open a menu with several options available. From that menu, tap on Settings to proceed. This will take you to the main settings page inside the Google app. Scroll down until you see Google Assistant and tap on it to open the Assistant-related settings. Next, find the option labeled Digital Assistant from Google, which manages the Assistant features connected to your account. If Gemini is currently enabled, you should see an option to switch back to Google Assistant. Tap on it to make the change, and it will take effect immediately. After this step, Gemini will be removed and Google Assistant will be restored on your iPhone. And that's it. Thank you for watching.